This is a demonstration of how to add bank account information for employees within the system. For those employees who are paid through the bank, the system allows for management of employees' bank information and also uses this information for the purpose of generating a bank letter. There are two ways in which this can be done. First, we can add bank account information for a specific employee by going to the bank account tab under that employee's information page. A form is then generated asking for relevant information pertaining to the bank account. The second option is for us to navigate to the employee's information page, then select from the drop-down the bank accounts option. Here we are allowed to add bank account information for multiple employees on a single page.